This is the back view here, walking up. I think this probably opens up a little bit later.
Bienvenidos al Café del Mar, ¿sí español?
Poquito.
Where are you from?
California.
But nice people.
Yeah, where you from?
Cartagena.
Cartagena. Okay. What's happening, homie? All right. Hey, what's cracking?
Yes, they open the 4:30.
4:30? Okay. Glad I got here before they actually opened.
Over there, they're in Miami. It's over there in Miami. This is the Brazil and the Coral. The Colombian flag. This is the Cartagena flag.
I bought one already. Already got it. Thank you though. So they getting ready to open. From my understanding, they open here at 4:30, and that's probably about an hour and a half from now. So they say this is the best place to catch the sunset. It's right over here. I imagine this place is going to be pretty packed tonight. We'll have to see. Who knows? I might even eat here. We'll have to check it out. Getting ready tonight. He hooking it up. He hooking it up.
Ayúdame pueblo, Dios te bendiga además. Mira, ayúdame para comer, que no escondió el amor.
Got a pig on the wall upstairs.
Parece que no escondieron el amor. Mira que me regalan para comer, que no esconde el amor. Mira, me regalan para comer, que no esconde el amor. Mira, ayúdame para comer.
Restaurant?
Yes.
What kind of food? Peruvian. Oh, I love Peruvian food. I've been to Peru.
No.
No, I have. I love it. I love the food. I've been to Machu Picchu, everything. Can I see a menu?
Yeah, sure.
Gracias. You speak English?
A little bit.
Oh, you speak good English. Oh, ceviches, everything.
We have ceviches, chaupas, causas.
Authentic? It's real, like real Peruvian, authentic, like from Peru. The cooks.
This is more fusion, Korean fusion.
Oh, fusion. Okay, I got you. Okay, are these movie stars? Famous people?
Famous people.
See.
Host TV.
Okay. Okay, I might come back. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
Why is my picture not up there?
you. Sí.
Yeah, I like that. I like.
Mira, regalarme una ayuda donde todo grupo no me esconden el amor.
So there's a lot of restaurants and shops and gift stores and all that kind of stuff in here. It's really nice. This is something that you have to do if you come here. The art gallery right there. Hi. Lots of places.
Y ahora saca un otro,
Had to get a squeeze, man. You had to get a squeeze. It's a sanctuary there.